Pallet forks are workhorses that are heavily used. But how can you be confident your pallet fork is built for years of lifting, carrying, and moving materials? When this BOBCAT pallet fork was designed, engineers put it through rigorous testing to assure you the highest quality available. Do you think those second-rate pallet forks undergo similar testing? Based on the results of our test, the answer is pretty obvious. To promote product integrity and consumer safety, organizations such as ISO provide standards and testing procedures that manufacturers can use to benchmark their designs against. For pallet forks, there are 2 tests that are conducted. They are set up to test the fork tines only, but BOBCAT goes a step further to ensure that the frame also meets the standard. We selected 3 other brands to get an idea how they compare. The first test measures strength by exerting 3 times the rated load onto the pallet forks. 2 of the brands we tested held up, but 1 crumpled under pressure. So it won't make it to the second test. Its frame is just not strong enough to handle the same load that the tines can. The second test evaluates endurance. The pallet forks must withstand 1 million cycles at a load 25% greater than their max rating. Of the 2 brands that are left, 1 of them failed. It only survived 233,000 cycles. Most brands display a load rating on their pallet forks, so a high rating may seem like you're getting a stronger pallet fork, but this rating may only be for the tine and not account for the strength of the frame. The BOBCAT load rating takes into account the forks, frame, and the machine it's being used on. Our tests take into account the tines and frame working together. BOBCAT pallet forks pass these tests, so you'll get strength and endurance that actually exceed the industry benchmarks. Selecting another brand sacrifices these qualities a majority of the time. Why gamble with others when you know what you'll get with a genuine BOBCAT pallet fork? Better design and proven testing give you a BOBCAT advantage.